a Chinese company comes up to me and says, "Do you want some free shit?" Fuck yeah, I want some free shit. This is my first ever sponsorship. I got this free drill. I didn't get paid for to do this, I just got a free drill. And we're going to be testing it out today and stress testing it. Let's get started. That was pretty loud. Let's be real. If it didn't survive that, it's not worth buying. Oh, look at that. It's got a nice little drill bit sticking out of it. So I was going to use a really nice background for this video, but it turns out fire and backgrounds don't mix. So that's out of the question. Now, this has just been out of the box. I've never used it before. Let's see if it works. I mean, it's a drill. What more can I ask for? Okay, that has quite a bit of torque, actually. So, okay, with some drill bits and sockets. We're going to test these out. What does a drill do? It drills stuff. Let's drill some stuff. Alright, let's see if this works. Now this right here is extremely hard wood. If you put this in water, it'll sink like a brick. We're going to try drilling through it. You can also see that my last drill didn't even stand a chance, and that was a wall outlet drill. So let's try this one out. Now safety is #1 priority, so I'm using my feet to hold down the wood. Ooh, smoke. And I drilled into the table. Oh no. Alright, we don't really need to drill it all the way through because that was on the highest setting and that has the least torque possible. So that's pretty impressive. Now this is just a bit they gave us, so we already know it's going to work. Let's put in a bigger bit and make it a lot harder. A 16-bit compared to a 1-inch bit? What is a 16-bit? Alright, we got our safety clamps right here and here, and let's give this a shot. No way. Alright, so that's pretty impressive, but when I turn on the drill and I put my finger near these vents, you can feel extremely hot air coming out of them. This motor is working hard. Alright, we got the vise here, and you guys all know what I'm about to do. Alright, we're testing the current overload function of this drill, and we're going to see how long it takes for the drill to turn off. Otherwise, it'll just cook itself to death. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Alright, let's get this back up here. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's strong as hell. Okay. Okay, we're going to do it in 3, 2, 1. Alright, that's pretty cool. This thing has a current overload feature. Real question is, how much torque am I going to be getting on this? Let's try it out. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Okay. So this drill just drilled this 1-inch hole right here. Ouch! That's still hot. So I drilled the 1-inch hole here in about 32 seconds, which I'd say is a pretty normal time because this is extremely heavy-duty wood. Alright, I'm not telling you guys to buy this drill, but for $40 I think it's a pretty good price. And if you want it, the link is in the description. And yeah, that's my first sponsor done. I don't know if I'm taking another sponsor, but if I do, it's going to be with some much bigger tools or other things. I'll see you guys next time.